Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to my YouTube crypto channel, Crypto Darkness. Before start, don't forget to like and subscribe for my channel for more videos. And don't forget to follow me on my social media here exactly. So today we are here to introduce an amazing project, amazing meme token. This is the second day for this project. The first video I will just introduce the website and some feature of it, but now in this video I will introduce the game. This project is Hellfire, one of the best projects for the start of this year. All what you have to do is follow me from the beginning to the end and send everything about this project and about this game. See you soon guys after this intro. Hellfire, merging meme coin energy with a real game. Hellfire isn't stopping being a meme coin, it is building something far bigger. The foundation of the Inferno realm game is early in motion, and integration with the token ecosystem is underway. From character sculpting and region to environment design and user interface development, every stage is sensed toward one goal. Connecting crypto with gaming is a single unfilled world. Every assets, every progress update, every visual we revealed in is proof that Hellfire is not just hype. It's a project that is actively evolving. With this integration, holders don't just own a token, they own a piece of the worlds we are building. The game, the economy, the community will merge in one ecosystem, and this is only just 50%. The gates of Inferno realm are opening. Hellfire is evolving from a meme coin into a playable universe. So guys, this is the official website of the Hellfire coin, and this is the official website for the gameplay. As you see here, the Hellfire descent into darkness, but through the depth of the hell, slay demons, corn move, claim your destiny as the ultimate warrior. You can check here. You can download it and you can just create an account. More than 100 download, 4.9 stars rating, and more than 50 waves. So this is the epic gameplay. You can see here some image where you can play on the game. So the Hellfire is really one of the biggest game in that month. So you can see the game feature. They have the wave combat, and also it is easy to control. Leaderboards, you can check the complete with players worldwide. You can also claim the rank, and they have rewards here, so you can earn gold games and powerful items, redeem exclusive codes and the epic bosses, and also the progression. So are you ready to descend? You can download it on the App Store. So first of all, you can just register. I will put the links under this video description for everyone who wants to ingest. So you have to register first, put your username, email, password, and confirm your password. Don't forget to agree the terms of the service, and then forge my soul. So let's do this. So welcome to the Hellfire. Enter the game. Now you can see the dashboard here, your states, the combat record, the redeem code, and a lot of things for sure. And we have here the leaderboard, as you see, Danny, Farouk, test player, and Crypto Darkness now. So everything is clear, ladies and gentlemen. You can check here the gold stop, the levels, and for sure the score where you can play. So now I am here on the 4th place, so you can check everything is here. The darkness, you can look out, the level 1, the experiences, the gold, the game, and other things for sure. So you can see here everything about your states, the games, the goals, the experience, and the levels, as you see here, ladies and gentlemen. So everything is clear about the game. So there is the official information about the Hellfire Inferno realm, as you see on the nation.so. You can see here the progress, how you can do this. So you can just put your name, and you can see here the character, the design of the process, as you see, ladies and gentlemen. You can check here the Hellfire Inferno, where you can check the change, platform mode, everything about this amazing project, the title, the brief, the theme, the core experiences, and the item currency system, and a lot of things like the role and Hellfire, the mail loop, the content structures, and a lot of things. You can check it by yourself. Also the website where you can log in and claim scenarios, and some optional for the future multiplayer and the ranking. So everything is clear. We have here the clan choose, some information about it. You can check it one by one. I will put the links under this video's description. About the reference, you can check the game reference, the classic loop, and for sure other things. To do a list also, you can check it. Some strategies not finished yet, but some are finished, like the dashboard, the landing page, the login, and other things here. So that's it, guys. The official X account is here. Token is available also if you wanna buy it. I showed you how you can buy it on the first video. You can just check it on my channel, and for sure you can check everything here. The official Telegram account, you can view the demon Hellfire here, and you can just join the group. If you have any question, you can put it here under this video's description for sure. But first, you can see here, if you were looking for designer, here fine, and you can just check something here. So that's it, guys. I hope you like the project. I hope you like the game. I will put all the links under this video's description, where you can just click and you can go directly to this amazing project. See you soon, guys, on the next video, and goodbye.